Magandang hapon po ng October 3, 2023 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng October 3, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, October 3, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 3, 2023 Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 100 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 49.5 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 20 million pesos for October 3, 2023 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 3, 2023 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.